For a while now, the price of XRP has been displaced due to several reasons that range between the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the Bitcoin dip that spread across the entire market, all thanks to Elon Musk's tweet against the energy consumption rate of the most significant digital asset, and China's subsequent withdrawal from cryptocurrencies. These and many other developments in the crypto space have been affecting XRP's price movement, considering the entire market's volatility has been relatively high. The price of XRP has been subject to some erratic price movements, entailed by a significant correction over the past few weeks to a month. XRP is pegged at 85 cents as the total cryptocurrency market cap tanks by about 4% to settle at $1.5 trillion, almost half of its year-to-date value. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and also in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. On the 12-hour chart, the price of XRP is rejecting resistance at $1.06, as it was seen to have been consolidating at the 86 cents price margins. Due to the present bear trend accompanied by the market, experts predict that the price of these asset classes will keep going down, maybe dipping to even lower lows before regaining its traction back to its uptrend, with more assumptions that XRP would decline even further to reach the 60 to 65 cents threshold before the significant retracement would occur. The market was showing signs of a selling pressure which could push the price of XRP down to 78 cents, then to 65 and maybe 60, before settling the pace for an upswing to the $1 mark. XRP and Bitcoin may pull off unexpected rallies amid the month-long market correction. In this tweet, the top crypto analyst, having one of the most significant following for a crypto analyst on Twitter, had hinted that XRP would most definitely be igniting a drastic comeback to the upside, as market participants remain bearish on Ripple's native asset. The expert crypto analyst indicates that shorts on XRP are at an all-time high at crypto exchange Bitfinex, just as the native token of the fintech startup hovers well above a critical support level, as a direct indication that a short squeeze may be on the horizon. In his words, the crypto analyst with over 200,000 followers on Twitter had posted a chart of XRP indicating that its price is retesting significant support and resistance levels, saying, I don't know what else to say, but this looks ripe for a short squeeze, LOL XRP. And this goes in line with what we've been talking about in our previous videos. A short squeeze happens when investors gamble that an asset will experience a downtrend by going fast, gets kicked out of its position by an abrupt increase in price, and subsequently out of the market. Such a pattern forces short sellers to buy the asset to avoid more significant losses, which drives the price higher. One important thing to note is that a whole lot of people are misinformed. There are a good number of people who are underprivileged with regards to knowledge and whatnot. As such, they sell at points like this when they see the market experiencing some downtrends. I'm sure you guys understand at this very moment there are a couple of people out there who are thinking, panicking, like I have to sell my XRP, we're heading towards a bear market, I need to flip over my crypto for some fiat, because it's going to go down to the ground, and so they sell their lot because they don't understand these markets. But experienced investors are of a different breed. Instead of selling out of a bear market, they buy in more during a bear market and sell out when the needs are back up. Given the recent dip, I think it's quite a significant buy opportunity for investors looking to enter into these markets to buy now, especially for those who are yet to buy in. Because if the SEC wins the lawsuit, XRP's price will go way down the line. We're talking about price margins between the range of 10 to 20 cents. Yet, that doesn't mean the game is over for XRP, as this is only an assumption. Ripple seems to be leading the way with a mandate by the Magistrate Court of Southern District of New York to the SEC to release some internal documentation regarding their classification of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP being stalled by the SEC. This is a sign that Ripple is well on its way to a settlement. The SEC is stalling because it knows that should the SEC release those documents, that would probably greatly implicate them. Since Ripple had earlier stated that 70 to 75% of their clients are based outside of the United States, it suffices to say that such a dip is a temporary one. Of course, XRP would be delisted from all the exchanges in the US, and there would be a massive sell-off. However, XRP will recover, it just might take a little bit of time for the dust to settle and for people to start seeing the vision like we, the XRP community, already do. If they do in the SEC case, XRP will skyrocket. Overall, XRP is looking good from a chart perspective. The only complication is we have impending news about XRP that could come out any time, which then renders technical analysis useless. At present, the XRP market is seeing some restricted movements on a much smaller scale, as the market lacks momentum, indicating a possible downward pressure as the parabolic stop and reverse SAR markers moved above the price bars, a trend that could push the price to an even lower low of 78.5 cents. At this point, we all know that XRP's price has been subject to some bearish backdrop, courtesy of the SEC's dereliction of duty and intimidation maneuvers in the progressive suit. As analysts continue to foresee the price of this asset hitting significant highs, should it cross over the dollar mark and maintain that threshold as its 50-day simple moving average. As discussed in our previous videos on XRP's price prediction, the possibility of an upward trend is imminent should XRP cross the 95 cents resistance level. A breakout of this sort is guaranteed to transition us first to $1.20 to $1.25, after which our next target would be $1.55, $1.90, and so on until we get to the $10 to $20 mark, which is our target by the end of the year. But right now, we've got XRP hovering around 80 to 90 cents. Earlier on, we had dipped below that 95 cents range, below the 80 cents range, and dared to touch that 70 cents range. But tell you what, we have some pretty essential price upswings on the horizon. And as of right now, we're starting to see some turnarounds that could take us between $1.02 and ranging as high as $1.10. The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit remains an essential topic within the XRP community, with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing a motion to dismiss the company's defense regarding the lack of due process and fair notice that all transactions made on the Ripple blockchain, as well as those involving trading the platform's digital token, XRP, were breaking any laws. According to the recent filing by the SEC in response to Ripple's defense, SEC's counsel indicates that the commission was not legally obligated to warn the payment settlement company prior to the lawsuit on the activities it deemed as illegal. XRP's price seems to be holding up against a significant support cluster, though. As long as the price of this digital asset stays trading above the 70 cents benchmark, it could potentially rebound to newer all-time highs as we see more signs of head and shoulders pattern on the weekly chart, suggesting that an incoming rally to $5.50 on the short term is on its way. Just as we've seen Bitcoin rise to about 37,000 on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin seems to have broken out of its week-long resistance point of 33,000. An indication that the entire crypto market, especially XRP, will see some significant gains much sooner than we think. And as each previous breakout that we've seen in the past sets a lower low, more signs of a massive price upgrade is registered, putting forth the idea that big things are underway for XRP. We could see the price of XRP forming a descending channel pattern, testing the uppermost layer of the channel's trend line, and is along with a 50% retracement level. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on it, hitting that subscribe button, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget that you can now support us on Patreon. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description, and you can also still join the free Discord group, also via the links in the description and the pinned comment. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. See you next time.